I thought after showing you the Eunice Mardi Gras parade, I would show you a family-style Mardi Gras parade in Mississippi. This is at Diamondhead Community. I'm not sure if it's a city, town, or village, but they have a very family-oriented parade. It's only about a mile and a half. I don't think they allow any drinking, and they throw a lot of beads, so it's a pretty nice little parade, so watch this. I got to this parade about 2.5 hours early so we could get a parking spot. It's a pretty popular parade, and we had a pretty good seat, but we got pictures of people coming and setting up and everything, so it's a little mishmash here, but I hope you'll enjoy it. The other thing about this video is that all the music was popular music. There was some Taylor Swift and a whole bunch of stuff. So I can't play any of the music because YouTube would just take it out. But I'll tell you, everybody in this town must have one of these go-karts, because there must have been 100 of these, all dolled up and dressed up with funny things on them. If you look real close to them or stop and look at them, they have dolls on the back and chickens and all sorts of things. So it's a pretty neat parade. Hopefully you'll enjoy the music that I stuck with this, because it's free music that comes with my software. And they were throwing out the beads, and the kids and everybody was collecting them, and I was told later that you can trade the beads in for credit for candy and games and things like that at some of the stores. So that's pretty cool. We've got a bunch. The other reason we're doing this video is we've got a brand new computer here, and it's not syncing with my audio equipment, so we're testing all this together, and I figured as long as I'm working hard on this video, I'll upload it for you guys to see it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you give me a thumbs up and a like, and we hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye, folks.